Did you catch our mid-year look at the VC landscape for tech startup companies? While funding is slowed, we saw that in insurtech and fintech, startups still have plenty of opportunities to attract investors, especially with savvy budgeting and a marketing plan. So we know where we are, but do we know where we're going? What investment trends can we expect in the latter half of the year? That's what we're going to talk about today. My name is Amanda Rabideau, founder and CEO of Arch Collective, and we're going to cover the VC landscape for tech startup companies. Let's dive in. AI has had quite a year, especially in the realm of content generation. AI, art, blogs, social media, chatbots, these have all evolved in multiple ways. In June of 2023, Salesforce Ventures doubled their generative AI fund to more than $500 million. The goal of this fund is to bolster the startup ecosystem, as well as encouraging the development of responsible AI. Expect more funding to pour into AI, generative tools, and not just be about content marketing, but also move into areas like sales, productivity, collaboration, and even hiring. Savvy investors are no doubt seeing the possibility for big returns. On the flip side, there's a lot of chatter amongst investors about the fact that there are so many different opportunities and ways to invest in AI, but no one quite knows who the winner is. So you might see lots of micro investments in a lot of different companies right now, but it's up to you to decide if you agree or disagree with that investment philosophy. Moving on to climate. The Inflation Reduction Act provides many benefits and incentives to businesses that are investing in reducing or fighting climate change. This means climate change startups have big opportunities to get noticed. In fact, even in 2022, climate tech startups created and broke record levels of investment. So likely more to come in 2023. 2023 didn't look so hot at first and got off to a bit of a rough start, with even some tech startup companies losing their funding due to the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank earlier in 2023. TechCrunch suggests that climate tech providers are well positioned to receive high levels of VC investment for the remainder of 2023. Investors are still looking for new and exciting investments. Things like low-carbon agricultural food tech or apps that support a circular economy. The banking crisis in the earlier part of this year, plus inflation and rising interest rates to combat that, means naturally investors are going to be a little bit cautious. However, want some good news? Well, I've got some. The overall average of companies in the IT sector have risen by over 39% in 2023. This could prompt venture capitalists to take more risks with tech startups that they see as particularly innovative or those who have a solid strategy for growth and marketing. Crunchbase suggests that in addition to generative AI, hot tech industries to seek investment include things like hiring technology, esports, or tech related to the energy sector. Fintech and insurtech will also continue to attract investment dollars when innovation meets good business sense. Attract investors and drive sustainable growth with a solid marketing strategy. If you're not sure if your strategy is working to achieve your 2023 goals, no problem. We've got you covered. Book a 15-minute introductory call with Arch Collective, and we can talk to you about how we conduct marketing audits to make sure that you're getting the most out of your marketing strategy. And as always, if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time.